Hello student, today we are going to learn our fifth chapter, Evolution of Mankind. In this lesson we are going to learn 5.1 from Homo habilis to Homo sapiens sapiens. In this point we have learned first one Homo habilis, second one Homo erectus, third one Homo neanderthalensis, Neanderthal man. In third point we have seen the half part, the remaining part we'll see now. Homo neanderthalensis, Neanderthal man. When a member of the group died, the Neanderthals buried tools, horns, etc. along with the dead body. Also they applied red ochre to the dead body before burying it. Now when a member means person of the group died, the Neanderthals buried tools, horns, etc. along with the dead bodies. Also they applied red ochre to the dead body before burying it. Now what is red ochre here? A clay-like material. It indicates that the Neanderthals had established some rituals of burying the dead. Now what is the meaning of ritual, custom, tradition? In the course of time, some groups of Neanderthals left Africa and migrated up to the continents of Europe and Asia. Now, what is the meaning of migrated here? Move from one place to another. Naturally, they had to face a different environment. They had to adopt new ways of living and finding foods. Therefore, they went on modifying and improving the tools that were essential in their life. However, the improvements in tools took place over thousands of years. Now see, they have migrated, so naturally they had to face a different environment and they had to adopt a new ways of living and finding food. Therefore, they went on modifying and improving the tools, okay, that were essential in their life. So however, these improvements took place over thousands of years. Now Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens is the name used for humans that were more advanced than the Neanderthals. Homo sapiens means intelligent or intellectual man. We shall learn more about him later. The Neanderthals and the Homo sapiens were neighbors for some time in Europe. It is believed that due to reasons like their conflicts with Homo sapiens, okay, now see, Homo sapiens is the name used for human that were more advanced than the Neanderthals. Now Homo sapiens means intelligent or intellectual man. Okay, we shall learn more about him later. Now see, in the next point we will learn more about the Homo sapiens. The Neanderthals and the Homo sapiens were neighbors for some time in Europe. Okay, they were neighbors in Europe. It is believed that due to reasons like the conflicts means fight, they were fighting with Homo sapiens and inability to adapt to environmental changes, the Neanderthals became extinct. On the basis of C14 dating, it is estimated that the Neanderthals became extinct about 3000 years ago. Now see, they were unable to adapt to environmental changes. Therefore, the Neanderthals became extinct. Extinct means dies out. On the basis of C14 dating, now it is estimated that the Neanderthals become extinct about 3000 years ago. So in the chapter 2 I have explained you C14 dating method. So with the help of this method, okay, it is estimated that the Neanderthals become extinct about 3000 years ago. So students, I hope you understood this point. Okay, so see the video properly and solve your MCQs properly, solve your subjective question properly. So take care of yourself, stay healthy,